First, open Higgsfield AI and sign in to your account. To create viral-style AI videos, start by choosing a simple idea that can immediately grab attention. Before generating anything, think about what will make viewers stop scrolling. This could be a surprising visual, an interesting transformation, a short story, a dramatic moment, or a visually impressive scene. Now plan your video around a strong opening. The first few seconds should clearly communicate what the video is about and give viewers a reason to keep watching. Next, open the Higgsfield AI video generation workspace and create your first scene. Write a detailed prompt describing the subject, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, mood, and visual style. For example, you could create a cinematic transformation where an ordinary room suddenly turns into a futuristic space with dramatic lighting, smooth camera movement, glowing elements, and highly realistic details. Generate the scene and review the result. If the opening isn't visually strong enough, modify the prompt and try again. Create several short scenes that continue the story or visual idea. Keep the pacing engaging and avoid unnecessary scenes that don't add anything to the video. You can also experiment with different camera movements, unusual perspectives, dramatic transitions, and visually surprising moments. Once your clips are ready, combine them in a video editor. Add a strong voiceover or short captions if they help explain the story. You can also add suitable background music and sound effects to make important moments more impactful. For short-form platforms, keep the video easy to understand without requiring viewers to watch